Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Another day, another haul. Before I say anything else, I think that you should hit that subscribe button. I think that would be really cool. Make sure you hit the bell down there, and that will give you notifications every single time I upload a video on YouTube. And who doesn't want that? I mean, come on. You guys really liked my last haul video, and I'm like, if you guys like my haul videos and I love shopping, why haven't we tried pairing these two things together before? So today we are doing a Amazon's must-have fitness haul and kind of an unboxing because I haven't opened up any of these boxes yet. I love Amazon, especially during COVID. I mean, I've just become very lazy and I don't feel like leaving my house. Amazon, shout out to you. I'm going to be showing you guys some of my favorite fitness products that I get on Amazon, and most of these I've tried already. I've needed kind of a replenishing or a restock of these items, so I was like, you know what? I should show you guys what I get, what I use. So let's get into the unboxing. So the first thing that is essential to opening up my packages is my trusty handy Cutco knife, or I like to call it the cardboard box killer. Okay, so here's the first one, and I don't really remember what's in here. What the? Oh wait, that's not mine. I didn't look at the name, that one wasn't even mine. Okay, next package. Here is my first box. Well, technically my second because I already opened up the other one, but the other one wasn't for me, so. Here are these little saucers I got, but I'm gonna open up for you guys. These sliders that I ordered, I've actually never tried off of Amazon before. I've never tried this brand before. I do use sliders when I go to the gym, but I wanted some for here. So these are ab sliders that you can use. I'm sure you can do a bunch of other exercises with it. Probably like some lunges with it to help build up your hamstrings, or you can do 1,000 different ab exercises with these. I like them. It just adds a variety to my ab routine or my ab workout or just my workout in general. I like to switch things up. Like I get bored really easily, so I saw these on there actually while I was looking for other items, and I was like, why not give these a shot? So they come in a bunch of different colors, and they come in packs of 2. I didn't have to order them individually. So this is the first thing. So I already opened up this bag because I needed what was in here earlier, so sorry guys. It's 6 a.m. I'm about to go work out. I'm tired. So right now I don't care if I was gonna use it for a video later. Here we go. We're just gonna act like I haven't pulled it out yet. This came in a pack of 2. This is the Ultima Replenisher lemonade flavored electrolyte drink. I usually get the packets, but here's just like the free powder. Pop that in my mouth before my workout, or I put it in my water and drink my water during my workout, after my workout, before. Literally I use this all the time, and this is key to my workouts and key to my training and key to my practices. It just gives me a boost of energy. Like, not even just a boost, it's like a mega boost. Like, this is really what gets me through. If I don't have this, I'm like, hell, today's gonna suck. You know what I'm saying? I highly recommend this one. This one is 0 sugar, 0 calories. So it makes you say, like, what's in it? And my answer is, I don't know. Whatever it is, it works for you, girl. So everything I have here will be linked in the description box down below. So if you want to check it out, see what I got, or if you want to make this purchase, click the little down caret, and it will have all the links to everything I am listing here. I actually have no idea what's in this one. Do you guys ever do that? Do you guys like ever order something and then you're about to open it and you're like, wait, what is actually in here? And that is why I like ordering packages, because it's like, wait, what did I get? This is cute. Here is a notebook that I got. Hold on. Here is a little notebook that I got, and it is just perfect size. I got it because the color is just really cute, and it says notebook in gold. Like, why does it need to say that? Because, like, duh, this is a notebook. I just thought it was cute. Just kind of year round, I like to log everything. What I eat, I like to plan my meals in my fitness notebook. I like to track the weight that I'm lifting, track the speed of my sprints. I usually put together a lot of my workouts, so I'll put my workouts in my notebook. So if you are starting your fitness journey, or you're even in your fitness journey, or if you've been on your fitness journey for years or working out for years, get a notebook. It's great to write everything. What is this? Oh, they left me a little note. The notebook is a great way to track your progress, because then you can say, oh, on August 28th, I did this, that. And then now on January 29th, I'm doing that. Like, I really grew. Here's the next package. Comes in this little Ziploc. And then it comes in a little mesh bag. Can you open up the mesh bag? resistance bands. I've had these exact same ones before. I love them. I usually use the pink. This is the hardest resistance. And I don't really use the other two. All these colors are pastel and light. I get embarrassed whenever I have to pull them out because like they get dirty, and it's not because like I'm a very clean person. So if something looks dirty, and it makes me kind of feel insecure because I'm like, I'm not dirty, guys. I have to just like throw it away or not use it or go get a new one. It's just, it bothers me. It's just how I am. So the pink got dirty because I was taking it to the gym. My gym is outside now. Area workout is turf. The turf is just like really dirty. Like if you sit on it, you'll see like black, but I think it's just because of all the ash in the air from, you know, being in California and stuff. What it looks like. It's about yay wide. It's really tight. And I love this. This is great for hip exercises, glute routines, hip strength, hip thrust, squats, like knee strength and things like that. I use these before and after practice, or if I'm doing a glutes workout or a legs workout, or if I'm squatting with weights, I still pop this on just to add another level of like oomph to my workout. Now for the big dog! Alright, let's open up this one. Wait for it, hold on. One more time. Man, I never grow up. Oh, okay. It's the little things these days, honestly. Ooh, so there's two things in here. One thing that I got is this roller. Rolling out is super important. Through my volleyball career, I didn't really see the importance of rolling out. All my chiropractors and doctors and coaches and family members would say, roll out, Schuyler, you need to roll out multiple times a day before and after practice, take care of your body. And I didn't really listen. I was like, I'll be fine. Then I ended up getting injured my sophomore year of high school, and it was due to me not taking care of my body. I think my body has never been the same since then. Over the past 2 years, I've really been taking care of my body and rolling out. And rolling out has prevented so many injuries. I'm not in pain like I was all the time. It was hurting to get out of bed, go upstairs, to walk. I had a calf injury. Rolling out has like essentially become a huge part of my fitness and athletic career now. And so I needed a new one, and I got this one, and mine was just like basic orange before, but this is like tie-dye purple and pink, and like that's kind of fancy. So the last item I got is a water bottle. Open up this bad boy. Here is a ombre, light blue, and dark blue water bottle. And this has some encouragement on it. It is a gallon-sized water bottle, and there's a little strap here. And I like how it has a cap, because I don't want something to accidentally hit the part where I put my mouth on, because that's dirty. It has different times on here and little motivational messages to go with it. Drinking water is really important. It goes along with the whole roller thing. I was not drinking water either when I got injured. My hydration was terrible. And so ever since I started rolling out, stretching, doing yoga, and drinking water, my body has really been adjusting to new workouts or hard practices, and I feel great. Get a water bottle, get one that you like, that you're like, oh, like this is cute, like let me take a little Instagram with it, or let me post it on my Snap. Something that just keeps you motivated to drink water, because water is important. Okay? Okay. So that was everything that I got for my Amazon Fitness must-haves haul. Again, everything will be listed in the description box down below. Maybe I'll do a part 2 to this video later. Subscribe to my channel. What are you waiting for? Make sure you guys also give this video a big old thumbs up and like it. Follow me on all of my social media to see behind the scenes. I'm pretty much posting on there every day, or posting on my stories. So go check me out on all my social media. If you're watching this just for fun, or you just want to pop on and say hi, or if you're watching this because you are looking for some products from Amazon to buy, I really do recommend everything here. Yeah, good luck with your fitness, good luck with your athletic career, your fitness journey, or if you're watching this while eating ice cream because you're like, I have nothing else to do, then enjoy your ice cream. I hope you guys have a great day or a great night whenever you guys are watching this, and bye-bye.